Welcome! You are joining me, Rafiki, this morning or afternoon or evening, whenever it is that you are joining me for making a cloud in a jar. And we are exploring what makes condensation. What exactly is condensation? That's a word, isn't it? That's quite the word. If you aren't familiar with the word condensation, think about when you have a nice glass of ice cold water or other drink or beverage you have ice in, and then it gets that like beads of water on the outside of the glass, which is weird, right? That the glass would get liquid on the outside. That's condensation. Also think about in the summer times when you walk out in the early morning and there's like dew everywhere, and there might be your parents' car might be a little bit wet, the door handle might be a little bit wet. That's also condensation. What happens is when we have a warm element and a cold element mixed in with water. The water can be the cold element with warm air, or it can be a hot water with a cooler air. But in some fashion, you have three factors. You have heat, you have cold, and you have water. And those three things make condensation. And that's what clouds are. Clouds are condensation way up in the sky. So instead of trying to go all over the sky to figure out and to look at condensation and making a cloud, we are going to do so right here in our own homes. So look at the next video and see what supplies that we need to make our own cloud in a jar.